Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy Evil Genius, and today we are back with another video, and today I'll be explaining how to do these really cool alerts. I actually got this inspiration from a friend of mine, Struggle Gamer, so I'm gonna link his content down below because he actually was the first person I saw with these. Personally, I don't know if anybody else has these type of alerts, but this is a guy I seen that had these type of alerts. But basically, we'll be teaching you guys how to do full alerts. It's actually a simple video. This probably won't even take 5 minutes. I'm gonna just do it the fast way, and you guys can do however you want to. But I'm gonna show you guys what my alert looks like, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I did it.
This is a test.
So
I tell that wait,
All right, we're back. So now that's how I did my alert, as you see. So basically, like, everybody knows, you know what I'm saying, I'm not the biggest streamer, but I'm not the biggest streamer. So when these things happen to my stream, I try to reward it to make it, you know, bigger, and an incentive to sub and raid and things like that. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this. That one was my sub alert, but I don't actually have one for raids when people raid my channel, and we should go ahead and do one. And so this is what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do it the quick way. I suggest, so with the edits and everything, then you make them your own. If you want to use someone else's, I just suggest crediting them, almost said it right, but crediting them. So today we're going to use this guy's stuff. I think it's lo-fi editor. It's a 13-second clip. This is going to be from our raid, so I wanted to, you know, be a little, you know, dramatic. So I'm gonna link this video down and give him the credit, but this is what this looked like. All right, let's go look at it. As you see, okay, it's a little chaotic, but I like it. I like it for a raid alert. You know, it makes everything, you know, very important and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna download this video. We're gonna use a I use this YouTube to MP3 MP4 converter. So this is what I'm gonna use. This is the kind of go-to place. All right, so I'm gonna take this link, go ahead and paste it. We'll do MP4 because obviously it needs to be a video, and we'll go ahead and download it. Like I said, this is kind of the fast way of doing it. If you want to, you know, more custom your own song, you gotta, you know, edit it and learn how to do all that stuff. There's plenty of YouTube tutorials. Just look up anime music video tutorial edits, all that stuff, and they'll go straight through. So here's our clip. It's here, as you see. All right, so we're gonna go to our Streamlabs. If you guys don't use Streamlabs, I suggest you do. For Streamlabs, it does all the sub alerts, all the stuff like that. And if you're not using Streamlabs, I'm curious to what you guys are using, to be honest. So let me know if you don't use Streamlabs. So we're gonna take out, this is our regular stuff. It was like a GIF and stuff like that. We gotta upgrade. We gotta go up, right? We gotta add some stuff to it. So we're gonna take out the audio file, and we're gonna take out the GIF, right? Because we don't need the audio file for this. And it took me a long time to know this, because I was like, what was going on? So as you see all the other uploads. This is all old stuff that I used to have. It's funny. I've been streaming for a bit. So here's our video. We got the anime music video edit 4K. It's gonna go into here. It's gonna upload. We're waiting for it. It's gonna take a little minute. All right, we're good to go. I think it's here. All right, so here's another key tip. So I realized this. However long the video is how long the duration of the alert needs to be. So the duration of the alert needs to be the exact time. If not, the alert will loop. So this says 13 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and bump this up to 13 seconds, not anything less or more, or else your video will cut too early or it will loop. If it was 14 seconds, you'll see it start to try to play again. And so we're gonna go ahead and put this into our OBS. As you see, I took off, so I did all my filter events and I took these off because I want this to be its own separate alert in OBS. So I went filter alert events, and then I checked, the only thing I checked was raids. And this is how you separate your followers, subs, resubs, donations, all this. If you want everything to be their own alert and action and certain stuff, this is how you filter it and make it separate. or if you know how like sometimes there was Twitch hate rate and stuff like that, this is an easier way to just turn everything off. If you have like your followers on and it kept going off, just turn it off, take it off of OBS. So anyways, we got this filter to raid only. All right, we're gonna copy the widget URL, and then we're gonna bring this into OBS. I got my monitor kind of blocked at the bottom a little bit, but we're just gonna enter it in OBS as a browser source. If you guys should know how to do this. And then we're gonna bring this in. So it's gonna give you this little, you're gonna look a little weird right now, but as you see right here, we're in the OBS. It says here browser source, and we're gonna paste this link. And what I usually like to do is 1920 by 1080. That is it gives it a little bit more, you know, obviously it fills the whole screen. And it says browser. Let's go ahead and rename this to raid alert, if I can spell. So raid alert, we're gonna bring this over, and I think we just tested, right? And we should be good. And as you see, just a little bit, there were some issues. Obviously, it was a little loud, and a few different things. So we can bring this down, obviously. And what we can also do for that is we can it wasn't in the right size. It looked a little weird, right? So we can fix that. We can bring it here. We can do text. We can do the font, things like that. Also, there's other cool stuff that you can do. You can do the alert text delay. So if you want it to happen and then the name pops up like, okay, Evil Genius is subbed about 5 seconds into the alert, there's also, it says alert text delay. Mine's doesn't mine right now does not have the alert text delay, but we'll go ahead and do that. Just the example is 6 seconds. So in 6 seconds into the alert, it should pop up. All right, and I don't know why this keeps going down. We're gonna drop it. So if you hear it go try to play one more time, just drop it down a second, and there you go. There you go. That's the alert. That's it. That's how you do big alerts. It's just like that. That took us 8 minutes. With editing, this video is probably like 5 minutes. I don't know. So this is simple. Just do big alerts. Make it an incentive for people to follow, sub, and raid. They're gonna want to be like, yo, this guy has cool alerts all the time when we raid. I want to see it. Viewers want to see it. Just give people an incentive for things, and make it nice. You know, that's what I would say. I love the subs. I love everything. So I want people to be like, oh, I want to resub because I want to see that animation again and things like that. And that doesn't just go with subs and other stuff. You know, just make an incentive for people to have fun and see something cool and unique. Like I said, it doesn't even have to be an anime music video. You can make it pop up, whatever. Just something, maybe a meme. I don't know. You know, whatever you want it to pop up. But that's how you do it. And as you see, when we changed it to this mode, the second one, it popped up full screen. It went into the full screen. So that's how you do it, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, simple. It's very simple. But if you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. More YouTube videos are going up. Sorry I haven't been posting. Had some life shit happen. But it's all good. We're back. Peace.